House of 100 square meters for sale in Krotiri by Scopas Real Estate and Construction. Two-level house of 100 square meters, fully furnished, on a plot of 2,000 square meters, in western Paros, in the area of Krotiri. On the first floor there is one bedroom and one bathroom. On the ground floor there are 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen all equipped, microwave, oven, dishwasher, washing machine, induction cooking, and a living dining room area. The house has also a garden with 20 olive trees. There is a nice barbecue built with rocks and a parking area. Year of construction, 2014. Suitable for permanent or holiday home in the idyllic Cycladic landscape. It is also an ideal choice for investment. Southwestern orientation with a unique view over Paroikia's bay. All networks are available. Access by paved road. 150 meters from the beach. 2.3 kilometers from the port of Paroikia. 12.5 kilometers from the airport.